I'm gonna say good afternoon to the start of this vlog because it's already noon.
Do you love me? Do you need me? Do you want me?
For a little bit, maybe 3 hours, and I've been just laying in bed. Today I decided I want to go shopping, so I need to get ready. But first, I need an outfit. You guys are in my closet. Yes, my lovely unmade bed and disgusting room. It's more like the pants that I don't know. So I have like all these like clothes and stuff, but I don't have pants. And I get to go find some today. I'm gonna go look around in Sephora because it's the VIB appreciation sale. I'm going to get ready and then we'll see where the day takes us. And we're all ready. It's like 1 something at this point now, and I'm back on my bed, but that's just because it's easier to talk to you guys this way. I just did like my everyday makeup. It kind of changes on the regular, like the different products, but if you guys saw my quick like time lapse get ready with me, then that is exactly what I did to get ready. Then for my hair, I have that like really crazy hair that's like frizzy and curly, but that doesn't actually like hold like a proper curl. And I have shorter hair and I damage my hair a lot, but I straightened it yesterday. I slept with my hair in a bun, and when I do that, it just doesn't turn out right. So I just added some Not Your Mother's sea salt spray, some water, scrunched it up, let it dry, touched my hair a lot. I'm sorry, and we're dressed. Don't know where everything is from, or else I would do like a little OOTD. But before we get into the rest of this vlog, I just thought I would explain like my current life at the moment because it has changed. I have not vlogged over a year. That's how long it's been since I've vlogged, and I'm like so behind on videos. I just need to actually edit them instead of laying on my bed and watching Netflix because I can do both. But this past June, I graduated high school and now I'm a freshman in college. I'm only taking 5 classes. 4 of them are at the actual institution and 1 of them is online. And I am also a dance teacher, like officially a dance teacher. Last year I was an assistant and this year I'm an actual teacher. So that takes up my afternoons. And I only have classes Monday through Thursday. But then Fridays I am part of the academic program at the studio. I'm pretty much in like a school environment, 8 a.m. to about 2 p.m. at the latest, and that's on Wednesdays. In that class, it's like a business leaders forum, and it's just like all these like CEOs, founders, like business entrepreneurs just come and talk to us, which is amazing. It gets me really inspired because I actually do want to create my own company, and I wanted to start like actually creating this company for a while now, and I thought I was going to do it when I got back from Europe. Yes, I did go to Europe over the summer. Did I post anything about it? No. One of the best trips of my life. Anyways, I said when I get back from Europe, I'm going to actually start this company. I still have to get like the whole business license figured out, and that I just don't know where to get it, and I've looked everywhere online, but I'm like asking like some people, and this is just how I am in my life. Like, it doesn't matter who I ask or anything, things just keep getting pushed back and back even further. That's just the kind of personality that I have, even though I have like a lot of ambitions and like dreams. goals that I want to achieve and make happen. I'm just that personality where everything gets pushed back. And I'm a big procrastinator. Like, for my online class, everything that's due, if it's due at like midnight, it's getting turned in at 11. I just have a lot on my plate at this moment in time with being a dance teacher. So that's a part-time job, plus going to school full-time, plus trying to keep up with this YouTube channel, which at this moment in time, procrastinator right here. I'm the procrastinator queen. I need to figure out what I need to do, where I'm going, what time I'm leaving, and then I will talk to you guys when I don't know. It is officially like too hot. It's 93 degrees and I just finished shopping at the mall. There's like ambulances and fire trucks here, and I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna go grocery shopping because I haven't eaten since 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. And I'm just sitting here in the parking lot talking, vlogging, but I don't care if like other people see me, but like around my family they can hear me, and I'm like, no. So I'm gonna go grocery shopping now. Again, it's super hot, so sorry about like the background sound, but we have a little taste test since I just really got done grocery shopping. Hopefully I will get like this set up a little bit better. This is the Wanu Water and Nutrients Peach Passion Nutrient Infused Water. There's a B1, B3, B5, B6, B12, vitamin E, K, folic acid, biotin, and fiber. It's antioxidant, vegan, GMO-free, gluten-free, BPA-free. It's not a bad water. Would I buy it again? No. I don't know how I feel about it. It was nice to try. We have a mini taste test. Probably every morning we'll have a taste test because I got some juices. I'm gonna drive home now. I'm gonna do a little grocery haul. First thing are the Earth Balance vegan cheddar flavor squares. They look like a regular Cheez-It. These are bomb. I think they might even taste better than regular Cheez-Its. I got 4 of the Oreo chocolate candy bars. These have become my new obsession. I got 2 of the regular and 2 of the mint. Can't decide, but these are my like favorite flavor of Oreos in general. And then classic college student, 2 cup of noodles, chicken and hearty chicken. One just has some vegetables in it and one doesn't look like it. I got some sweetened condensed milk just because I've found like this iced coffee recipe, and I've been like more into tea recently, but we want to try some iced coffee with some sweetened condensed milk. A Pepsi. Yes, I know this is not all 100% healthy, but might as well just like dabble into the health food stuff. Got 4 juices, 3 different brands, 4 different kinds. The Evolution Fresh Organic Emerald Greens Cold Pressed Juice has cucumber, apple, spinach, romaine lettuce, kale, lime, and lemon. Got the Simple Truth Organic Ginger Kale, cucumber, celery, romaine, lemon, ginger, lime, kale, and spinach. Probably like all the same, but just different brands. And then the last green juice that I got is the Suja Noon Greens. Has apple, celery, cucumber, kale, collard greens, lemon, ginger, spinach, chlorella, and spirulina. And then this last one is the Suja Lemon Love, lemon, stevia, and cayenne. Probably just gonna taste like, honestly, lemonade. Do a taste test of this. This is the Simple Truth Organic Kombucha not a huge fan of kombucha. This is the strawberry lemonade one. This video is just filled with taste tests. This one isn't bad. There's all of our like juices and beverages. I was going down an aisle and I got the Simple Truth organic tomato bisque because I've been eating out a lot. This is what I usually have for breakfast. They're the Zone Perfect nutrition bars, the strawberry yogurt ones. My favorite salad, baby arugula, which I can put on top of these Boca burgers. They're the original turkey veggie burgers. And they're vegan. Got some celery. And this was like $1. Some roasted seaweed. And again, taste test. Would I purchase this again? No. Is it kind of good? I can eat like a quarter of it and be like good. But that's everything that I got at the grocery store. Like almost 9 a.m. and we're making some iced coffee. And I don't know where I saw this recipe. So my mom brewed some coffee this morning and I just chilled it for about an hour. Glass of ice. And now we're taking some sweetened condensed milk. I need a spoon. I don't know how much to pour. Not half bad. Oh, that kind of bomb. I just found my new favorite iced coffee, which is great. So now we can be basic. This is like dried hair that I like, air dried hair. What when I went to sleep, but it's now time to tackle this mess of a room. It's gonna be great. Morning. It's 7:30 and I have to leave in like half an hour. So it's time for breakfast. This is when we start our juices. I'm gonna try the Suja Noon Greens. It smells like greens. I'll drink that throughout the day. It's now Wednesday. I have to leave in like 10 minutes. Then I won't be back for another 13 hours. But we're trying the Simple Organic Truth Ginger Kale Cold Pressed Juice. Smells like the one from yesterday. I want to throw up. Did I even do a taste test yesterday? Cucumber, celery, romaine, lemon, ginger, lime, kale, and spinach. That was even worse than yesterday. It was horrible. I don't really like the green juices as of the moment. So I'm just gonna stick with my kombucha. Either way, I'm still basic. Cause what, Sunday? Basic with iced coffee. Today, and like the rest of the week, pretty much basic with green juices and kombucha. Zone Perfect bars. Have one of these every morning and then I'll take one as a snack. It is a hot one. We're currently sitting in the Costco gas line. Probably not the best decision to go at like 12:30. I just got done with my first day of Friday preschool. I'm still kind of drinking my kombucha. I brought it this morning and I love my job because like yesterday I got a peach because one of the moms brought some for all the staff, and then today the director brought me some coffee, which is great. Well, a caramel frap. I'm going tonight to go help out with like a fun activity night. I'm gonna go get some Costco hot dog for lunch. We're gonna get some gas now. Before I go wash off my makeup, even though my voice is peeking through, I thought I would end off this vlog. But I hope you guys enjoyed getting an inside look into my life currently. since I know it's been like over a year since I have vlogged. If you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel or give it a thumbs up or both. If you guys have any video requests, you can leave them in the comments down below or at me on my social media, which is all under Sassy Madi YT, same as spelled here, both Twitter and Instagram. Just let me know how you like this vlog. Should I continue vlogging? All that. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Persh.